Welcome to InvestorWeb, the channel dedicated to helping you make the most of your time and money. We're all about empowering you with knowledge and insights that can make a real difference in your life. Today, we're turning our attention to productivity, that elusive quality that can truly set you apart in any field. Whether you're an entrepreneur juggling multiple tasks, a professional striving for efficiency, or simply someone looking to make the most of their day, productivity is key. And it's not just about doing more, but doing it better and smarter. That's why we've put together this video where we'll be sharing 10 actionable ways to improve your productivity. These aren't just abstract theories, but practical tips that you can start implementing today. So if you're ready to take your productivity to a whole new level, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's dive into our first productivity tip. Our first tip to improve productivity is to prioritize your tasks. Now, you might think, I have a to-do list. Isn't that enough? Well, not quite. Prioritizing tasks is more than just creating a list. It's about discerning which tasks will bring the most value to your day and focusing on those first. Imagine your day as a jar. The most important tasks are like big rocks. If you put the big rocks in first, the smaller rocks, pebbles and sand will fit around them. But if you start with the sand, the big rocks won't fit. Prioritizing tasks is like putting the big rocks in first. It allows you to manage your time effectively and reduce stress. It keeps you from feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks. And most importantly, it ensures that you're spending your time where it matters most. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Understanding your priorities is the first step towards improving your productivity. The second tip is to block your time. Now, let's demystify this concept. Time blocking is a practical technique that involves dedicating specific time slots for different tasks throughout your day. Instead of being reactive, you become proactive, creating a blueprint for your day. Imagine your day as a blank canvas, and you are the artist painting your day with blocks of time. This technique can be a game changer for improving focus and preventing the trap of multitasking. When you allocate a designated time for a particular task, it allows you to channel your energy and attention solely towards that task, thereby enhancing your productivity. Moreover, it's not just about work. Time blocking can be used for various activities, be it brainstorming, learning, or even relaxation. It's all about balance. So what's the key takeaway here? By blocking your time, you control your schedule rather than it controlling you. The third tip is to delegate effectively. Delegation, my friends, is not just about passing off tasks to others. It's an art form that requires trust, clear communication, and a good understanding of your team's capabilities. Imagine you're a chef running a bustling kitchen. You wouldn't try to chop all the vegetables, cook every dish, and serve all the tables yourself, would you? Of course not. You'd delegate, giving each member of your team a specific role, playing to their strengths. This is the essence of effective delegation. It frees up your time, allowing you to focus on the tasks that require your particular expertise, the tasks only you can do. It also empowers your team, giving them the chance to grow, develop, and shine. So the next time you're overwhelmed with tasks, remember, you don't have to do it all yourself. Delegation is not just about offloading tasks, it's about maximizing the potential of your team. Our fourth tip is to leverage technology. We live in an era where technology is not only available, but it's constantly evolving, and it's designed to make our lives easier. The beauty of technology is that it can take over routine tasks and improve efficiency. This allows us to focus on what truly matters, the tasks that require our unique human touch. Consider productivity tools and apps. There's a whole host of options out there, from project management tools like Trello, Asana, and Basecamp, to time tracking apps like Rescue Time and Toggle, and note-taking apps like Evernote and OneNote. These can help you organize your work, collaborate with your team, keep track of your time, and even remember those brilliant midnight ideas. But remember, while technology is a powerful tool, it's most effective when used wisely. Over-reliance can lead to its own set of problems, so use technology to your advantage, but don't let it rule your life. Embrace technology, it's here to make our lives easier. The fifth tip is to take regular breaks. A surprising fact, isn't it? In this hustle culture, where we are often led to believe that non-stop work equates to success, it is crucial to understand that our brains are not designed for extended focus. Taking regular breaks can actually boost our productivity levels. Consider the Pomodoro technique. Invented in the late 80s, this method encourages you to work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This cycle repeats 4 times, after which you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The rationale behind this technique is that frequent breaks can improve mental agility. They allow our minds to rest, to rejuvenate, and to return to the task at hand with renewed vigor. Moreover, these breaks can help to prevent burnout, maintain a consistent level of performance, and keep your mind sharp and focused. Remember, taking a break is not a waste of time. It's an investment in your productivity. Our 6th tip is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's much more than just a buzzword. It's a crucial cornerstone of productivity that's often overlooked. A well-balanced lifestyle is the key to unlocking your full potential. Let's talk about diet first. Consuming a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, gives your body the fuel it needs to function optimally. You wouldn't expect a high-performance car to run on low-grade fuel, would you? The same goes for your body. Next, we have exercise. Regular physical activity keeps your body in top shape, but it also sharpens your mind. It boosts your mood, reduces stress, and enhances your cognitive abilities. It's a win-win situation. Finally, sleep. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's your body's time to regenerate and recharge. It's essential for maintaining your mental agility and focus. Remember, a healthy body fosters a healthy mind, and a healthy mind is a productive one. The 7th tip is to eliminate distractions. Now, we all know how distractions can be a major productivity killer. They sneak in uninvited, and before you know it, they've eaten up chunks of your precious time. So, how do we tackle these unwelcome guests? Firstly, identify what your main distractions are. They could be anything from a noisy environment, constant email notifications, to frequent interruptions by colleagues. Once you've pinpointed them, it's time to take action. If noise is the issue, consider investing in a pair of noise-cancelling headphones. For the digital distractions, try turning off notifications during your focused work hours. And, as for those constant interruptions, don't hesitate to communicate your need for uninterrupted work time. Also, remember to create a workspace that promotes focus. Keep it clean, organized, and free from any unnecessary clutter. By implementing these strategies, you're not just eliminating distractions, you're setting up a fortress against them. By eliminating distractions, you can create a conducive environment for productivity. Our 8th tip is to set realistic goals. Why? Because they are the catalysts that spark the journey towards productivity. Think about it. Embarking on any venture without a clear, achievable end in sight is akin to setting sail in the vast ocean without a compass. That's where the SMART goal-setting framework comes in handy. SMART, an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, is a tried and tested formula that can help you set goals that are both challenging and within your reach. A specific goal is clear and well-defined, leaving no room for ambiguity. Measurable goals allow you to track your progress and stay motivated. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable. Relevant goals align with your larger objectives, and time-bound goals prevent procrastination by setting a deadline. In essence, realistic goals are like a roadmap. They guide you towards your destination in the most efficient way. The 9th tip is to engage in continuous learning. No matter where you are in your journey, there's always room for growth. In the ever-changing landscape of the business world, the most successful individuals are those who keep their minds open, their skills sharp, and their knowledge up to date. You see, learning isn't just about mastering new skills. It's about fostering a mindset of adaptability and resilience. It's about staying curious, asking questions, and seeking answers. It's about pushing boundaries and shattering expectations. Continuous learning will not only boost your productivity, but also keep you competitive. It will equip you with the tools and insights you need to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and drive innovation. It will empower you to transform not just your work, but also your life. So commit to learning something new every day. Read a book, attend a seminar, take an online course, because learning is a lifelong journey, and it's the journey that keeps us productive. Our final tip is to cultivate a positive mindset. The power of the mind cannot be overstated. It's the driving force behind every success and every failure. A positive mindset is not just about being happy or displaying an upbeat attitude. It goes much deeper, influencing how we perceive and respond to situations. Think about this. When you believe you can, you're halfway there. The same is true for productivity. If you approach tasks with a can-do spirit, you're more likely to complete them efficiently and effectively. A positive mindset can also help you overcome challenges. Instead of viewing them as roadblocks, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. This shift in perspective can make a significant difference in your productivity. Remember, positivity breeds positivity. When you're positive, you're more likely to inspire others, creating a more productive work environment. So, start today. Cultivate that positive mindset and watch your productivity soar. After all, a positive mind is a productive mind. And there you have it, our 10 tips to improve your productivity. We've explored the significance of prioritizing tasks, using time blocking to manage your schedule, and the power of delegation to distribute workload. We've underscored the role of technology in streamlining processes, advocated for regular breaks to refresh your mind, and emphasized the need for a healthy lifestyle to maintain your physical and mental well-being. We've underscored the importance of eliminating distractions, setting realistic goals, and the necessity of continuous learning to stay ahead. Lastly, we've discussed the immense impact a positive mindset can have on your overall productivity. These strategies are not just theories, they are practical steps that can transform the way you work and live. Start implementing these today and observe the remarkable improvement in your productivity. Thank you for watching Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice on maximizing your productivity and investment. Stay productive.